I'm going to show you how to earn $80 per hour by just watching videos and how to make money online. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification to get notified on every new video that will publish on this YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you the site now. So this is my browser, as you can see my Google Chrome browser. So let us head on to Cash. So as you can see, this is the site here. This is cashtube.com. So I'm going to open this. So watch and earn up to $7 per day daily tax. Invite and earn. So please let me click here. So as you can see, this is $5 registration bonus. So when you join this site, they're going to immediately give you $5 for signing up to their site. So this is simple. All you need to do, you can either sign in with your Facebook account or your Gmail account or your personal email. Whichever way you want to sign up, it's very easy. So I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can sign up to this site and the processes you can use to earn up to $80 per day by just watching videos. So welcome again. This is how to earn $80 per day by just watching videos, make money online. So now, first and first, we're going to head on to the sign up option here, which is somewhere up here. So now, as you can see, this is login. If you're already signed in or you already signed up to this site, you can just log in here. But since we're new to the site, I'm going to click on the join here. So as you can see, $5 registration bonus. So we're going to create our first name here. Last name, birthday, we'll include the day here. Now this isn't correct. Let's see. I'm gonna put the month here. So now we're gonna scroll down here. Oh, no, I don't want to use this email. Possibly use another email. So I'm going to enter our password here. This is me. So now we're going to click on the create account here. And so the white load. So as you can see, promo video. Also, as you can see up here, I've earned $5 by just signing up to this site. So now to perform tasks to enable you earn $80 per day, it's very simple. All you simply need to do, you watch some videos for just few seconds. As you can see, this is 34 seconds to watch this video and you will be automatically credited to your wallet here. And then during the cash out period, all you simply need to do, you're going to click on the three lines here and you click on withdraw here. Let me walk you through the process of withdrawal. As you can see, withdraw money, PayPal method, payment method, right? This is web money, bank accounts, PayPal, Alipay, Western Union. So the minimum withdrawal is $80, you can see. So by watching a couple of videos daily, you could earn $80, which is the minimum withdrawal within a couple of hours once you're consistent on this site. So that is it on how you can actually make your withdrawals. And you can see the method of payment will have web money, bank accounts, PayPal, Alipay, Western Union. So now let us go back to menu and let us click on watch videos and let's see how it goes. So by watching this video, you're going to earn $1 within a few seconds. So now let us play the video. I like to play for a few seconds. Just a moment.
You want some juice? Here, you hold the bottle.
Wow. Hold on. Wow. And then we're going to see how much will be credited to our wallet here, over here, at the top side, here. Just within a few seconds. Now you're going to click on get money once you're done watching the video for the 34 seconds duration. You can see you've earned 0.61 cents or yeah cents. So let's see. So as you can see, I've been credited up here. So tax is complete. Tax available after 24 hours. You see, you will cut more tax. This is for 32 cents. So now we're going to scroll up again. And as you can see, when you subscribe to this YouTube channel, you're going to get $1. So now we're going to click on the subscribe here to see if our money will actually be added to our YouTube account. Let's just hold on a moment while it's load. While this is actually taking little while to load, so let me not delay you. So as you can see, that is how to earn $80 per hour by just watching videos, make money online. So please, if you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so, and don't forget to also share this video with your friends and family. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.